Hi, I'm Keith, a technician at USACLEAN. In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to install your Anderson plug on your charger for your XB20, provided to you by Floorcare.biz. Before you get started, these are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need wire strippers, you're going to need a good set of wire crimpers, you're also going to need your Anderson plug with pins. Okay, first step, go ahead and cut off the eyelets to the positive and negative wires. Okay, next, what you're going to do is you're going to take your wire strippers and strip back some of the insulation on both of the wires. Okay, now that we got that done, we're going to go ahead and twist these wires. Give the pins something to crimp down on. Okay, next, grab your pins. Make sure the hump side is up. Place your wire in the pin and using your good set of crimpers, crimp down the pin as tight as you can. Do it for both sides, positive and negative. Okay, now that we got our pins crimped on, we're going to go ahead and insert them into the Anderson plug. Now what you want to do is you want to take the pin side with the hump up and insert it into the positive side, into the positive side, and the negative side, into the negative side. Now all you got to do is take it, and you should be able to push it in. Now if you cannot push that in, here's a little tip. Place the wire in your plug using a flathead screwdriver. Push the pin into the plug. And that's all there is to it. You're done. Now, to find these parts and more instructional videos, visit us at USACLEAN.com. Thanks for watching.